I'm Noli Sudario, working as a facade designer. I made this video to show you how to model all parts of a stick system facade using REVIT software. Also to make a rough 4D and 5D with the beam models that I create. If you have comments or suggestions, questions, please feel free to react. You can shoot me an email at nsudario3@yahoo.com. As we can see here in this facade model, I downloaded this last week to study it, and I tried to reverse engineer it to learn how they do this, but I came with one of my question is, where are the other parts? As you can see here in the 3D of these B models, they show the glass transom, the mullion, and the bullnose cap. And if we go inside the models, this big one, let's go to the 3D look. They only show the one in IT, oh, curtain wall all proof. It's just a curtain wall. You can extract this one, but it's not good for me. For me, it's not a good model. It's not a good beam model. That's why I created my own beam models. I'll show you guys what I created. One of my question here is, where is the C channel and the bracket? So I decided to make one. This is the model that I make. I made this bracket and put it inside the slab, here in the slab, the flooring. After that, we need to have this one is a C channel, and we need to have a bracket. Wait, let's see. It's on the bracket. Select all entire project, unhide the bracket, hide the element. There's the bracket. When you view it in the north side, it's aligned inside the section. So, 3D. You will see that the bracket is aligned, and our bracket have this notch. Move, there's the notch. And if you see it in this other side, when you view it in the other side, there's slotted hole in it. I don't know about it, but I think it's going to have not a slotted hole on the other side, like this. And we're going to put the mullions, the vertical mullions. We're going to unhide the vertical mullions. Select entire project, hide element. That's the relationship of the three parts. C channel, and it's going to have a, how you call this, a T screw, 3 bolt here. I'm going to screw the, going to fix the mullions here. You can move it up. See how it moved up, and it can move down based on your requirements. In this video, I just update this. The last time you saw this, it's a slanted hole. I just updated it to a clear hole like that. The bracket can be moved based on the requirements of the mullions of your panel. You can move it right or left based on your requirements. There. The bracket is aligned with the C channel, and you're going to fix it with a T-bolt, and then we're going to fix the mullions. You can move it also left or right. You can move it. The next thing I want to show you is the relationship of mullion to the transom. See, there's no transom. We're going to put the transoms, all of the transoms. That's not the transom. Oh wait. Let's hide it again. That's the bullnose for the transom. Transom. And hide the element. There's the transom. When you click the transom and pick it all, look here, generic model, 15 pieces. When we go to our project name, we're going to name it in your every project. Facade schedule. The transom is, I named the transom T1. The length is 986. Transom. The quantity is 8. The cost, I just put the cost for sample only. That's for the 5D. The schedule is for the 4D. 4D beam. Costing estimation is for the 5D beam. I hope I satisfied your beam, 4D and 5D beam. Let's go back here. Let's see the transom, the relationship of the transom to the mullions. When we see the top, you can see the transom is here, and the mullion is here. They are perfectly aligned, and it have a gap. When you measure the gap, it's I think 1 mm half. How do we measure the gap? Wait. Analyze, annotate. Can be annotate. Because we are in 3D, let's go to the level 1. How we can measure it? Transom piece, the side piece of mullions to the notch of transoms. It's 1 mm. On the other side, it's 1 mm. So if we're going to fix the transom, it's easily, you can screw it easily, you can fix it easily. Or going back into the 3D. In our 3D, all the transom are in the correct positions, in the correct locations. After that, we're going to put the gaskets on the transom. All we have to do is pick the gaskets. The gaskets. Anide element. The other one. Oh no, that's one. The other one. You can pick it inside. And the other side. The other one. On this side. You pick it here. No, there's the. Oh. The bottom. Let's go to the bottom. If we can see it here. I think there it is. This one. This one is correct. DGB 1-01. Going to pick it. All instances, entire project, then unhide it. Let's go back again to the base, the north side. You can see. Oh, where's the transom? There. The bottom side. There's the gasket. The bottom side of the transom. And the top side of the transom. If you look at the sides, look, both the gasket of the transom is there. After that, I'm going to show you how will the you call this, the thermal break. Yeah, the thermal break and the pressure plate of the transom. We're going to put the thermal break. Well, thermal break. Where's the thermal break? Thermal. Yeah, wait. You can see it up there. I can see it up there. Where's the thermal break? Thermal break. Let's decide. Let's look at the side. The thermal break. Where's the thermal break? It's been, yeah, there it is. Let's pick it. Let's unhide it, then unhide all the thermal brake. There's the thermal brake. Also the pressure plate. Where's the pressure plate? Here. Where's the pressure plate? Here. Oh, the gasket of the pressure plate. You can pick it. I think on the other side. In the other view, see here. Look, you can see the thermal brake. Also, we're going to put the what I call this, yes, that is the one. We're going to pick the tire project, the pressure plate, unhide element. There's the pressure plate. When you look at the base of the facade, you can see the thermal brake. Also the termination is here, is good. There's the thermal brake. And what you call this, the pressure plate. Pressure plate, when you fix all the pressure plate and it the quantity is 15. When you go to the schedule, facade schedule, let's see the pressure plate for the transom. Pressure plate is 15. DC1A, yeah, yan o. The length is 948. The code is DC1-01. The length is 948. Pressure plate T1, transom 1. When you see T1, this is 1. This is transom. The quantity is 15. I just put the cost, 40 USD. Sample only, for sample only. Okay, let's go to the 3D again. Let's go to the 3D again. After that, we can put the glass. Where's the glass? We have this glass here. Unhide glass. Then unhide glass. Then pick another one. Unhide. That's hide glass. The last one. Let's unhide the last one. There. Let's unhide glass. There's the glass. This kind of glass. 1, 2, 3. When we go to when you pick it, to make sure how many quantity, pick it. Look at here. There's yellow one -01. It has a quantity 3. When you go to the facade schedule, we will see the quantity GL1-01, the width is 978 by the height, H for height, 840, insulated glass panel, 3 pieces. For the cost, 150. The cost is for sample only, for example only. Oh, I just want to show you guys how I make the schedule. If we go into the 3D, to make sure how many quantity is in the drawing, the model in the drawing, to make sure. This is how to make sure the process. And we're going to pick it again for the entire project. GL1-02, we have 3 quantity. We go back here in our schedule, GL1-02, this is the width and the height. It has 3 quantity. Going back to the 3D, it's all the same. We have again this kind of glass. By the way, the glass model, I can also put a cladding or stone. I can make a model to I can create a parametric model to also can extract the width and height, cladding and stones, also metal panels. Entire project, GLO1-03, 3 quantity. If we go to the schedule, GL1-03, it has 3 quantity, the width, the height, and the cost. How about the bracket? The bracket is the bracket B1 for the stainless steel bracket, 8 pieces. I'll go to the 3D, going to pick all the brackets. This is the bracket, stainless steel bracket, B1. We're going to pick the P1, and how many in our entire project? We have 8. Same in our schedule, 8. How about the C channel? C channel is very important because C channel, before the formworks, before you pour the concrete, you're going to make the formworks for the concrete. You're going to fix the C channels first on the formworks. Then you're going to pour the concrete. After you pour the concrete is dried, you're going to look for the C channels. You're going to clean it because look for the look for a video on YouTube. You can search for the C channel, how to the process. There's a process for the C channel, how they put it in the slab. The C channels is quantity is 8. CC1 C channel 1-1. The length is 300. When we go to the 3D, pick the C channel. Entire project, the quantity is 8. So see guys, my B models is better than this one. I don't know, respect to the one I have a respect to the one that made this, but I think This is not a good model, because when you go to the when you see the inside of this one and go to the 3D, let's go to the 3D. When you pick it, this one is nested object. I can also do this, but I realize that this one is not good. See, it's look like a shadow of the profile. It has a glass, and the mullions and the transom, but the other part is missing. This one is the gaskets. You can see the gasket, but when you pick it, this is one quantity only. How do you, my question is, how do you going to make a good schedule on this one? So guys, if you have questions, comments, suggestions, please feel free to put it in my video comments. Okay, down the comments. You want me to do your B models, please shoot me an email at n, all small letters, n SUDARIO 3 at yahoo.com. No, n sudario 3 at yahoo.com. Thank you guys. Bye. One more thing guys, how do we fix as designers, how do we fix a stick system curtain wall to our how do we fix the transom to the mullion? So we need a what you call a transom connector. We have a transom connector here. If we move the mullions, where's the transom connector? I think it's hide. It's hidden. Wait. The transom connector is hidden. There's the transom connector. And hide it. Hide element. Then there it is. When you move the mullions, you can see the transom connector. When we pick the transom connector and extract it, then we're going to see how many quantity we use in this project. The connector, transom connector, TC, we use 28 quantity. The 28 is perfectly aligned with the transom in the right location. When we go to the schedule, TC, just look for the TC at north elevation. TC, you have the length is 90. Transom connector at transom, the quantity is 28, so we're right. The cost is 15 USD. That's all guys, thank you.